If you've been hearing about the TikTok Creator Growth Challenge and want to know how to join, this video will walk you through everything you need to know in just a couple of minutes. The TikTok Creator Growth Challenge is a program designed to encourage creators to post more consistently, improve engagement, and earn rewards by completing specific content goals. However, availability can vary by country and account eligibility, so not every user will see the challenge at the same time. To check if you're eligible, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner, then select Creator Tools. Look for sections such as Creator Center, Creator Rewards, or any banner mentioning a growth challenge. If the challenge is available for your account, you'll see an option to join directly from there. Once you find the challenge, carefully read the requirements before enrolling. TikTok usually sets goals such as posting a certain number of videos, achieving specific view counts, or maintaining consistent activity during the challenge period. After joining, make sure you follow all the rules and deadlines to remain eligible for rewards. If you don't see the Creator Growth Challenge, don't worry. TikTok often rolls out new features gradually, meaning some accounts receive access earlier than others. Keeping your app updated, switching to a creator account, and staying active on the platform may improve your chances of receiving future invitations. One important tip is to focus on creating original, engaging content during the challenge. Videos that provide value, entertainment, or useful information tend to perform better and can help you reach the required milestones more quickly. And that's how you can join the TikTok Creator Growth Challenge. Check your Creator Tools section, review the eligibility requirements, and start creating content that helps you grow on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and updates.